Don't know what the fuck that wet stuff on it.
Shit, let me just turn that screen around to make sure. Yeah, maybe it is better putting it. So yeah, there's 3 Chaoses here. 1600 watt. I've got a brand new one here, so we're going to unbox it and see what it's saying. Yeah, man. A fresh fucking. Let's bring that in a bit. There you go. Right, let's. It's a good job you're here. I'm going to need you to give me an hand to get it out. If you can grab them or something. Yeah, it's nice to see one fucking brand new.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah. It's really nice that one.
It's a whole different fucking effect, mate, when you're getting these new.
It's really good how it's built.
Oh, right, yeah, I wondered what was fucking going on there. Shit. Just need to turn the camera around.
Prop it up if you want that. It's easy.
Oh shit, yeah, I'm better off just fucking... Here, I need, can you just hold this a sec?
Yeah.
And I'll put it on its stand. Just hold that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. Oh. There we go.
Just need to unscrew that.
Oh shit, they. Oh no. You've got the thing for that. Oh no, is it in there? Yeah. Hold that, just hold that 1 sec. I don't want the cables, you know.
It's the computer with the mount as well, Ben.
Yes.
That's already on it.
Right. Yeah, buzzing. Right. Where was I? Oh yeah, there. I had that. What they say? Was it an Allen key? Yeah, one of them.
Yeah, just that Allen key.
That's right. Oh, shit. It's nice. I'm glad you've just fucking fucked about doing all this, haven't you?
Yeah. Then it is.
Oh shit. Oh shit, don't say anything. Yeah.
Needs to be screwed on a bit more. Say undo these, these clamp things.
Yeah. Oh, what are you saying? I've got to get a fucking hammer and smash it down. Oh, there, fucking hell. Oh, me. Right, that's fully in.
There's that nut there.
Shit. Oh no, I bet the things come off it as well.
Something rolled.
Yeah, the spring fucking thing. Right, what should think? Oh, there it is.
Got it, yeah.
Make sure that is in the perfect position because I don't want to be fucking about. Exactly.
What a collection.
Right. See how this feels. Oh shit, fucking hell. Yeah, I've got to get it in my right. Oh shit, here, what am I doing? I need to fucking screw them in. Where's the fucking... Shit.
Needs to be another piece or something. Charger. One thing that it seems like it's missing though,
What?
is the headlamp.
Oh shit, yeah. The fuck?
No, yeah.
You taking the piss? Yeah, brand new Chaos. Needs charging. And that, and by the looks of things, I need to buy a fucking light. I'm gonna ring them surely. It must come with a fucking light. That's an error. It's gotta be. But yeah, 3 Chaoses. 2 GTs. 1600s.
Yeah,
you know what I mean. So yeah, you'll see this baby in action soon. Once I've charged it. But yeah, as you can see, we've got the 3 Chaos 1600s. 3 of them. The white one's obviously the new one. But there's your button for your indicators. I'll have to get the key for it. Fucking, you get your mile per hour and shit on there. So yeah, this is my old one, this black one. I was gonna sell this, but for some reason it's just fucking, it's rapid. It's so fast. It still dusts everything, but the battery life on it isn't that good. You know what I mean? So it's one of them. That's why I've ended up getting that one, because I'm gonna be driving to France on that fucking white one. You know what I mean? At the end of the day. And this black one is me mate's. You alright? Yeah, man, I'm alright. So yeah, this black one is me mate's. He got the GT, and that's what made me go and get this white one. Because obviously when you're fucking dealing with these electric scooters with a mile per hour on it and all that, they're so good. They are just next level. I sort of fucking threw a couple of extra stickers on it and that. You know what I mean? So you got the fucking kernel and shit. I don't drink Monster, but it ended up on there. Same with Coca-Cola. It's fucking garbage, mate. But fuck it. The light was in the box. It was fucking... it was stashed somewhere, basically. I didn't fucking see it. I was being a retard. Couldn't fucking find the light, you know what I mean? But, yeah, I've attached a few fucking things to it. I've attached this basket, which is sick. I've attached them, what's it, headlights. I mean indicators. Fuck am I on about? Sorry, mate. I've got fucking cars and shit driving past all of a sudden. But, yeah, indicators. I've got a phone. This bag here charges your phone. That fucking thing there charges your phone. You know what I'm saying? I was just about to say, what the fuck is this clown doing pulling up in front of me? You know what I mean? When I'm trying to film shit. So yeah, there you go. There's 3 Chaos 1600s. And they're so much fun. Have a look from this angle. You know what I mean? When you got 3 of them lined up like that, it's decent. I mean, this guy's flying around like Superman. So yeah, I'll show you footage in a minute of how fast they are and that. Or what it's like when you're actually on them. So good, honestly. And if you ever get a chance to get anything like this, you definitely want to get it. I don't promote electric vehicles or anything, but these Chaoses are actually something. You know what I'm saying? They're fucking sick. Sweat down. Right, so I've got some fresh attachments on my bike.
How can you look at that on the bike? It's into
I'm not, that's why it's attached to my chest.
No, I don't mean. I can't
Look, I've got wing mirrors and shit now. I'm flying. I got torch. Can they see on that there? I might have to turn it a sec. Yeah, look.
Oh, it's your
torch.
camera now. You got your camera working, have you?
Yeah.
Do you know what I've got?
Yeah, look at this guy's just helped me sort my bike out. My scooter,
I got cameras you can put on here, and you've got, and then when you've finished, you can put them on your phone afterwards.
Yeah.
Look at what you're doing. Oh, is he gone again?
You got a light then?
No.
Oh shit, yeah, I'll grab a lighter. What? Ran off?
Wow. Fucking dog. Oh. Oh, where's that fucking dog?
Didn't see his dog coming past,
Nothing. Oh shit.
Does he run off? Yeah.
Oh,
He's there.
I thought they did the next door.
Fucking hell.
He's like a shit. Come here. Bye. Bye. Come here.
I thought he was in the back garden.
You know, he never gets everything.
No, yeah.
Come fucking back.
Seen this, Lou?
So yeah, we're about to set off. Just get a quick view. My chaos. It's just chaos. I'm saying. This is how I'm flying now.
Before you ride out.
Oh, right. Let me just make sure the view on this camera is right. Ready, let's go. I'm hoping the view's right. The thing's in zoom. Yeah. Oh, yo, whoa, whoa, whoa. We'll see you after, mate. The thing's in zoom. Yeah! Hey, are we going through this way or the other way? Nice! Oh my god, put it into mode 3 and it's rapid! Yeah, man! Yeah! Yo, whoa, 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 what's going on with my fucking wing mirror there, lad? Taking the piss, that needs tightening. Just put it into cruise a minute. Because, what the fuck's just happened here? I didn't bring that fucking Allen key with me. What? What's up? Nah! What I'm saying. Oh whoa, the camera is all fucking fucking hell, mate, nearly sliding out round there, them tyres. Thingy tyres came in handy, off-road tyres. Yeah, man, we're gone. Whoa. I need to be careful, I keep forgetting I've got a basket on the end of there. On the back of this. Oh. See, they're so manoeuvrable. Manoeuvre wherever you want on these scooters. Yeah, Nidge, if you think there's something wrong with your thingy, it might be best ringing Fun Bikes. And, whoa. Shit, what's going on?
Chaos GT 1600.
Yes. Yeah, no, I was going to say, if you think there's something wrong with your thingy, ring Fun Bikes and ask them, is it possible, you know, to bring the scooters down and you basically get it MOT'd, get them to have a look at it, see if they can notice if there's anything wrong with it.
Yeah.
Just say it's second hand and you don't know the past history of it.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah.
It's the gamble you take, innit, when you're buying shit off fucking Facebook.
Yeah. Mine was in the second gear as well. You just went.
Oh, I put mine into third though.
Did you?
I was going quite fast and then put it into third. Let's have a look at that a sec, because I went over some bumps then, which I shouldn't have done. Got to be careful with that shit. Right, let's go.
Countryside.
Exactly. Let's have a little cruise down here. Like I say, this is the first time I've proper used this scooter now. I've not used it, have I? Oh. Shane Daly. Sure you did. Yeah, sure you fucking did. Dirty little fucking Schofield nonce. Fucking Jimmy Savile vibes while I'm on the Chaos. Chaos 1600, let's fucking go. Fuck this. Yeah. Yeah. Zing, zing, zoom.
So how do you feel on the Chaos so far then?
I'm loving it, it's epic. I need this fucking sorting. This one's got the problems. I went over a couple of bumps and it's fucking flapping around as fucking as bad as that one was, so I need to get Bernard out and sort that out.
Yeah.
Straight away, but yeah, man, that's still turned that off a sec.
In the shade.
Oh. So yeah, fucking yeah. So we was just showing you then a bit of Chaos, you know, over the countryside. We couldn't go as fast as we wanted and that because the phones are fucking bouncing about, mate. Even with these harnesses, you have to tighten that screw there and it helps a lot. Nidge, that one stops it from flapping about as much.
This one?
No, this one inside.
Oh, inside, yeah.
But yeah. You've got my beast there, you've got his beast, which might need an MOT by the looks of things, maybe.
Yeah.
Might need Fun Bikes to just go over it and just see what's going on.
Yours looks the most superior. Really happy with yours, man.
Really
Think,
happy with
mine, to be honest.
Yeah, we can get yours sorted. Like I say, you got a bargain on yours.
Yeah.
Either way, if you have to pay what? Let's just say if you have to pay 100 quid to get it MOT'd, it's worth it and it's done, and you still got it.
Yeah, sure,
100 times
definitely.
cheaper than fucking whoever.
Yes, man,
Didn't you?
go.
You know what I mean? So, look guys, look at that beautiful fucking sky. Couple of chemtrail clouds about, but they've calmed down with the weather modification programs for literally 2 weeks in the UK, 2-3 week. I mean, and we're going France on these scooters. Get what I'm saying? Going France. Gang. well, let me just see if my camera's fuck. I think my camera's alright. Fuck me, what's going on here? Zing, zing, zoom. Oh, mate, both of my wing mirrors have just fucked. You know what I mean? They're both fucked, man. Absolutely fucked. Look, both of them are fucked now. I don't know, I need to sort these fucking wing mirrors out, mate. They just fucking... Why is this one just fucked up like that then as well?
What, those wing mirrors? That is bad, that.
What the fuck? Can't handle a couple of fucking bumps.
I think that's where that person got found from. Yeah.
What?
That's where that person must have got found, where the flowers are.
Don't lie.
Where the entrance is.
Yeah. I should have kept that Allen key on me like he said. He did say that that could happen, but fuck it. Let's go. Wait, is that all?
How are you in, bro?
I'm in third now.
Third, does it go faster?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course it does. If you're at full speed in second, then put it in third, you'll feel the difference in speed. Man, it's fucking rapid, this one. Swear down, this is rapid. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm sure the camera's fucking actually viewing what's in front. Whoa. Whoa, fuck me! Fucking got some power in it, mate. I was fucking bouncing off the floor and shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. I know. Absolutely epic. Oh, and there you go, ladies and gentlemen. My Chaos has officially been christened. It's the first time it's basically been used properly. Could fucking state of that. What the fuck's going on there? I mean, oh. You better shut your mouth because this video's going on YouTube. So now you've been fucking YouTubed. You know what I mean, just testing out my new thing, but the wing mirrors have just fucking need tightening. Just fucking flopping and shit.
Where have you had that from? That's
Fun Bikes. Fun Bikes 7 ton.
That's alright, that, isn't it?
Yeah, it's sick. Going to France on it, that's why I got it.
You go into France on it?
Yeah, I seen some guy on YouTube, he's gone France on an electric scooter. Obviously, he stops and charges it on the way. He has a tent on him and that, on the scooter. It's like,
Well,
no
show me
way.
what it does then.
What?
Get on it.
Do you mean I've just been fucking
Ride
flying?
it.
I've just been flying round on it.
Well, I've not seen you flying around on
Meaning
it, so
all
I
the-
see it.
It's fucking rapid, swear down. Well, let me get it off. Get it off here. It's absolutely rapid. Swear down. Told you it's really good, and that wasn't obviously that wasn't full speed or nothing. So, yeah.
How fast does it go?
Fuck knows, 40, 50 mile an hour. Gets 50 on there or over that. Oh no, but that's kilometres, so you can, 30, 40 mile an hour.
Big
Yeah.
speed on.
I know, yeah.
Don't get done for speeding now.
Mum, I want one of them.
Chaos 1600's they're called. Chaos 1600 electric scooter.
That's big. Are they the ones that the police take off you though?
Oh mate, everyone gets taken off you unless it's that one that Neil used to have, one that you push on your foot. Anything other than them, you're getting it taken off you. We've just been in a field. I mean, so one of them. See you later. Oh. Right, so yeah, there you go. There's a 1600 watt Chaos.
Shouldn't do like that though.
No, this field, you don't understand. The
I know,
whole
is it
thing was
not- is it
just
not
down there,
over
yeah, down
and then
there,
you
and
go
it,
right back?
yeah, so many bumps, man. And one went, and then next
You know,
minute the other one went. I went, wow.
They're not meant for that bloody game though.
No, with the they're meant for flat, smooth ground. They're not meant for anything else.
Right. Just set it to where you want and low tight.
Yeah.
Tight.
Because I'm not going to take it down there again.
Be about there where you are, right?
Yeah, that's it. It's perfect.
See, these are coming with some, they fucking shouldn't. That's what's got- No, it's not going there. You didn't have two of them, did you? One for each.
I might have done, yeah.
I can't talk the tiny. See,
The fucking shit.
so you turn them wrong way, and it's like the other fucking way. Look. See? Oh, that. You can't tighten that anymore because you turn it off, right? Oh, that's tightened pretty on like that. tighten that way. Right. See what I mean?
Yeah.
Spanners are that fucking weak. Not supposed to tighten them. Try and get that out.
It's a electric scooter.
Yeah, it is. It's an extra seat.
Right.
So, mate, oh, is that a seat with it? Yeah.
It is what?
Seat in a basket with it.
No, I bought that separately. This is an extra thing you put over the seat.
Customise the bottom of it.
Oh yeah, I put the stickers on it and all that shit. So yeah. Yeah, you probably have. I've got another one, a black one.
Yeah, were you the one wearing that? Would you sell one? Were you that one wearing
I was gonna sell the black one, but it's so fast. That black one's faster than this. It's just shocking, shockingly fast. Nah, I'm not gonna let anyone have it. It's brand new.
How much would you sell it for? So I can get my brother to buy it with me.
You know what I mean? Nah, this one's a grand. The other one's going for brand new. The other one's going for 500. Funbikes.co.uk.
My dad's, yeah, my dad and his mate have got like one. I will get my brother to pay a grand because I've got one, but mine's one for like
Just sit on there.
Yeah, right. Let's have a look.
Okay. If you've twisted in this arm, we won't work because don't twist that. That's the only movement you've got in it at the moment.
Right, I'm just trying to see.
I know what you
Yeah,
mean.
that's fine. That can be like that. Because I can just turn the handlebars a little bit like that and see what's behind me. It doesn't need to be messed with.
I can do on my back.
You know what I mean?
don't
I'm not
think
messing
it's
about. I
one
want
piece.
it to look the
Okay.
part. You know,
So
as
you've
long
got
as
that
they can
pretty
still be
tight.
used and they look good. And that's all that matters.
Good boy, Pharaoh. Good boy, good boy. Good boy.
That one needs to go like that. Right, so yeah, there you have it, guys. That's the Chaos GTI 1600.
Right, come on.
Fresh out the box. So yeah, I'll see you later.
I can't do many ties in that.